Good morning, John with Eco Clean. Out here on another beautiful day. We'll be pressure washing this house here and cleaning these stones. We got Eric in the house once more. Not too bad, is it? Huh? You shot? It's not too bad. Just that corner right there. Huh? You can spray those stones if you want. I mean, it'll do something until I get a chance to spray them real good. Yeah, just spray all that. Yep, that's what we got going on here. Yeah, see, that's already coming out pretty good. Hey, I'm making some breakfast, man. They got a grill. They got a kitchen. I'm making some breakfast. You want some eggs with some chorizo? Huh? You want some eggs with some chorizo? Hey, you see that crack? You see the crack? Man. Alright, so pretty much what we're doing is just washing the house, doing that pool cage, that screen enclosure in the back. There's no pool, which is rare around here, but there's just a screen enclosure. Pretty nice not to have to deal with a pool for once. And then we're going to be doing these border bricks, which I'll have to post. I'll have to do like a treatment on them first, and then we'll go ahead and light wash them off. Because just pressure washing it's going to make a mess. Start blasting in and dirt everywhere, and so. And we'll be doing the driveway, that walkway. And we'll do the road gutter. Get that road gutter looking nice for him. Yeah, this ain't too bad. It's come out nice. You got any dirt daubers? Not too bad. We'll get this nice and clean for him. They also own a local gas station that we've serviced a couple times, and so we'll probably have to do that again, probably after the new year. So that's what we got so far. All right, man. So you can see my beautiful face. We got the new Eco Clean sweaters on. Had to get white because any other color, and it'll bleach out, man. It'll look like cow print. So I know they get dirty, but we just bleach them out or whatever, and we're good. All right, guys, we'll get you on the finish. All right, guys, here we go. We've been doing it. What do you got to do? Oh, I saw you coming out. I thought you done with that long one?
I can twerk. Yeah.
You can twerk. You need an ass to do that. I'm going to put that in slow motion. That's going to be in slow motion, just so you know. All right, this cage is pretty much done the screen wise, and then we just got to do the walls of the house, back wall here, and then go ahead and use our surface cleaner to deep clean the floor. And then once he's done back here, I'll start spraying these bricks with their post-treat chemical and cleaner, and get that all nice. And then later on, we'll have to come back and just do a light rinse on top of it and get all the heavy stuff off. It's just laying there. And I'll probably spray another top coat, just let it sit on there so it absorbs in the bricks, because that mold gets inside those bricks. It gets in the cement, you know, kind of like oil in your driveway. Once it gets below the surface and sits for a while, you're not just gonna clean the top of it and get it out. It's below the surface. It's in the pores of the cement. So pretty much the problem we have with the mold. You know, Florida, our climate is so humid. I mean, you know, the mold is kind of my friend, because that's what keeps me in business, right? If there was no mold, I wouldn't be busy all year round. So that's what we do. We get, you know, we do pretty kind of like a mold remediation almost, but pressure washing is not just about throwing some bleach and soap or whatever on the walls and rinsing it. There's more to it. You know, you need to know what techniques will work on what you got. You know, there's signs of. I mean, I could go on a job and I could tell you that this mold won't come off with the machine. We have to do this or this. Yeah, this will come right off. Same thing with when we're looking at roofs. You know, you got to know how strong that chemical needs to be, so you can get that bleach concentration to water ratio just right. You know, and then there's a factor. If it's a metal roof, you need some soap. You need to put an extra injection of soap in there to keep it from just sliding off like water and not sticking to the roof and doing its job. Because metal roofs once they get wet, they're kind of, you know, they're slick. So, and you really can't walk them. So, you know, it's not safe to walk them when they're wet at all. We got boots to do it, but it's not, you know, it's not really something we try to do unless we really have to. And majority of our jobs, we don't need a lift for. I mean, we get up there, we do our job, and we're done. You know, there's jobs where other people have come out and had the big expense on the customer to rent the lift, and so we're able to get a lot of that, you know, without that added expense. And you know, customers always trying to save money on something. You know, either, you know, whatever way they can, which is, you know, we're all the same way, right? I mean, get the job done at the least cost, but you want it to be done right. So, you know, it can't be always about price. You know, we definitely don't try to be the cheapest. We don't try to be the most expensive, but we're definitely not the cheapest out there. But we are one of the best. And my customer service is bar none one of the best, if not the best in the area. So, you know, people have my cell phone number. There's a problem, you call me. I come out and get it done. So, you know, and we stand behind our guarantees. You know, if you're not happy, you know, we don't take your money. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this camera just sit back and do some more time lapse for you, so you can join us on our work today. This is probably the last one of the last jobs before the holiday. You know, we're a few days before Christmas, so. And if I don't get a chance to say this, you know, guys, appreciate you watching my channel, and Merry Christmas, and have a happy and safe and healthy New Year.